Ano po ang masasabi niyo sa inyong food?
Yummy! Delicious!
Yummy, delicious.
Beef tapo, the one that we ate in the train. The beef tapo. Yeah, probably it's better because that one is
Place there. The El Grande Island is also a foreign vessel or enemy. They will attack before they can enter the Philippines. Island in Palawan and
Thank you so much, Kuya. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Dear Joe. At dito kami kumakain. Dito kami ngayon sa Tagaytay. Dito kami magla-lunch. Halos kakadating-dating lang namin from Bulacan. And dito kami kumakain. Naka-order na kami. And ito kumuha ako ng sausawan ko. And this is the place. Ayun yung mga kasama ko. Itinrest kami ni Pretty Pearly at saka ng kanyang husband na si Pete. Thanks so much sa inyong dalawa. And God bless you guys.